Hi there, this is Mitch with the Fresche support team, and today we're going to be taking a look at installing the Fresche Secure suite. So you'll see I'm at our web portal here, myfreshsolutions.com. Now if you have a login, go ahead and log in, and if not, you can request an account here, and a support rep will be in contact to get you access here. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And once we're in, we'll see either in the front here, current downloads, or on the left side here. I'm going to pop in, and we're going to grab our zip file in order to install the tool. And here we'll see all of the available downloads to your company based on the entitlements that you guys have. But today we're going to focus on, we'll grab the TG Security Suite here. We're going to go to software download. The button should pop up for you, and here we see all of the different installation files, documentation associated with it. So we're just going to grab the IBM installation. The TG Central will be in another video. So I'm going to download this zip folder. It should automatically begin downloading, and while that downloads, I'll pause this and pop back in. Alright, so our zip file has now downloaded, likely in your downloads folder by default. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to extract them here, and here's our folder. As you can see, we just have a save file in this folder here, and what we're going to do is we're going to run a few commands to first FTP this onto your IBM server, and then we're going to run the installation commands as well. So let's open up a command prompt, and here I'm going to connect to my test system, and what we're going to do is we're going to follow the steps found in the wiki that will be attached just below this video. And what we'll notice is that we need the security officer user profile privileges in order to install this. So I'm going to log in using that. And the first thing you'll see, step number one there, is that we need to change it to a transfer mode to binary. And now what we'll do is we're going to run these commands one by one. Here we're creating the save file. And here is where we're going to actually put our installed save file onto the system. So I'm going to open up my file explorer here. We're going to grab the path name, pop it back here, and there we go. Alright, this may take a while, so I'm just going to pause this and I'll hop back in. Alright, and there we see that the transfer is completed. It took about 8 or so minutes on my system. And what we're going to do now is restore the save file onto our system now. Now we can continue on the Windows prompt. I'm actually just going to open up an interactive session here, and we're going to run these commands. So I'll take an F4 just to see what we've got here. So we're going to restore the TG install saved library. We see that the changes occurred, and now we are going to run the installation onto the system. So we'll grab this command here, hop back over, and I'll prompt this as well. So the install type is going to be start install. The end user license agreement, you can read this on our website. We're going to accept that. We won't cycle any of our servers, and we'll just run this as an interactive job here. Now once that is complete, let's go in and take a look to see that everything was installed correctly. So to access the main menu of the tool, we'll take a TG menu option, hit enter, and here we see all of the different components of the tool. Now depending on licensing, you may have access to some or all of these. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at option 80 here, the licensing status. And here we'll see some system information. We'll see the product version here that we just installed, as well as you'll notice the expiration date upon installation of the tool, you automatically receive a 30-day temporary key. Now, if you were to request a permanent key down the road, the support rep will most likely want a screenshot of this screen here. That's just going to provide us with the necessary information to generate a permanent key for you as well.